Hello guys, welcome to week 7. We've got some good news and some bad news for you. Bad news is I've been taking a look over everyone's grades. Turns out that the last exam you guys took didn't go so well. I think primarily that's because of how the questions were set up. The class average was 63%. So obviously that's not your fault if everybody did on the lower end of things. There were, of course, some people that did pretty well, but for the most part, the average was pretty low. So what I ended up doing was curving the grade on that. And so now it's around 80%. So if you take a look at your grades on Moodle, you'll see that you're looking better. I've also dropped the lowest 2 quizzes. So that should also help improve with your grades. And one of the things that I really hope to do is actually go through each of these quizzes like I did this week with quiz 6. And I've taken out any of the duplicate questions and hopefully cleaned up some of the ones that were confusing people. So there's not going to be any more of those, A and B as an answer, or all of the above, or whatnot. What I'll try to do is just make a checkbox for multiple choices. If multiple choices or multiple answers are correct, then each one of those is going to be worth a certain amount of percentage points. Also, as a reminder, in week 8, we have our second exam coming up, and quiz 7, and those, of course, I'm going to go over those thoroughly to hopefully improve your experience of taking those quizzes and exams. If things go wrong again, don't worry about it. I'll curve those as well. Because really what I would prefer is you to enjoy learning rather than worrying a lot about your grade. Please do, of course, continue to try. I've noticed that, for some of you, you've fallen into the trap that a lot of folks have trouble with in terms of online courses. It can be really hard to sort of like stay focused and stay on track if you're the only one who's driving you to take the course. But please do continue hard work. If you do, I'll make sure that you get a good grade. The exam is going to be over weeks 4 and 6, that material. And next week I'll just give you a little bit of a reminder about that one. All right. That pretty much wraps it up for this week. Hope you guys have a good one.